Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Gosia and I make nail related videos. So today I prepared for you a small review and demo of this cat box that BornPretty sent to me. So if you are interested to see what's inside and what I think about the products, then please keep on watching. So this box came to me a bit tired, honestly, but that is not an issue because usually I toss that kind of boxes anyways. What's the most important is what's inside, and everything was really in good shape. So here we have 4 stamping plates with KunCat designs, stamper with cat shape, and a scraper. First, I will start with the stamper and scraper. Well, the scraper is just a usual card that will not scratch our stamping plates. Pretty basic, but in good size, so I really like it a lot. And when it comes to the stamper, as you can see here, it is not a clear stamper, so you will not see where you place your stamp. It is pretty big, very squishy and very tacky, which helps to pick up the design quite a lot. Later on you will see how it performs on a demo, but I need to tell you that I really like it. That kind of stampers get thin designs very well, and this one is not an exception. I do use that kind of stampers when I have difficulties to pick up the design or when my design is not as crisp as I want it. Because usually with these squishy stampers you are able to get a very crisp stamp. Overall, this stamper is very good, so if you have any troubles with picking up the design, I really recommend it. Okay, now here are the stamping plates. I don't really have much to say about them. You can see what kind of designs they have. I really like BornPretty stamping plates. They are good quality and they are really affordable, so if you like these designs, then go for them and get them. My favorite plate from this set is number L003, just because it has designs that are very wearable and you can do really a lot with it. And it's not only for cat lovers. But to be honest, all of them have really cool designs that you can use on any occasion and in every season. Okay, now it's demo time. Let's finally see how they perform. But first, let's enjoy some peel porn. so that's it for today. Let me know if you like this set, and of course, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye!